Hey guys, I'm Stanley from RC Tank Legion. You want to know how I made this scale barbed wire without the barbs? This is perfectly great for your RC Tank diorama. It is right scale and it's safe because it doesn't have the barbs, and it's nice and quite durable. And you want to see how I made this? Okay, so first of all, you need some 10 gauge wire. I find that the 0.5 mm, I don't know what gauge this is, but having a look at it, this is pretty good gauge. Scale for the wire. You can get stainless steel if you're going to put it outdoors, because this, in my experience, when you put it outdoors, it turns to rust real quick. So you need to get a PVC pipe about this diameter. In Malaysia, we call this a 25 mm or 1 inch salute pipe. And of course, you need to get the end cap that fits. And then you need to get a suitable size bolt, whatever you got. What I have here is an M6 with a nut. So what you need to do, you mark out the center and you drill a hole for your bolt, lock it up, and then you need your pipe, which is about 1 feet long, give or take. All you need to do is glue this on. Okay, after you glue this on, you need to take a drill and drill a hole pretty close to where your end cap is, and this is where you would put the start of your coil into the wire, into the hole, and then I'll show you how to do it next. So you need to apply some pipe glue for your PVC pipe so it hold it nice and solid. Of course, needs to say that you have to tighten this up before you glue it, because once you glue this up, if you don't tighten it, this is too late. Anyways, so once this is done, drill a suitable size hole. I use a 4 mm drill bit. Okay. So you got it. If you need the longer the slinky, and the longer you need your wire. So at least 10 meters, give or take. But 10 meters, if you divide by half, it's only 5 meters. So probably 20 meters long. Then you get 10 meters long with a straight wire. Yeah. So a lot of unwinding. So if you guys can get a nice roll of wire without having to unwind like I do, good for you. So what you need to do, I'm just using my neighbor's drill. I'm going to do a simple tie off, okay? And I'm going to unwind the wire slowly without causing any kinks or tangles. Okay, so you've found the middle point for the wires, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend it, and then I'm going to put it in my drill, and then give it a twirl. Oh, the other way. So when to know just when to stop turning. So basically, you see right now the wire is still kind of twisty. As soon as the thing is fully twisted, it will start to straighten up really nice. Let me show you. You see the line is nice and straight now, no more twisty bits. So I think we're good. Just a couple more twists to be safe, and then we're gonna see if we have a residual twist in the lines. Okay, so if you over twist it, there'll be some residual twist in the lines. So what you need to do is safely remove it from your chuck. It will spring out. Okay, let it spin. Whoppa! Okay, so 10 meter long straight wire. Okay, next. Let's attach your new contraption to your drill. Use with care, please, obviously. Always be safe when you use power tools. So, what you need to do, you see the hole? You put your the end of your wire into this hole, and slowly, you can wind it whichever direction. I'm just going to wind it in the reverse direction. Okay, be really careful. Don't overdo it. Start really slow. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll wind and then I'll turn. So walk towards the wire. Attention. There you go. Wind it really carefully. Just wind, push it. Careful, right? Because to say you need enough wire for your drill to be able to reach your 10 meters. Try not to overlap, because if you overlap it won't come out nice. So you want it to roll nicely like a spring, because if you overlap then it's not easy to, you won't come out nice. So if you overlap like this, it's not a good thing. So you want to continually roll. Cut over here. Okay. And to release your nice new roll of slinky barbed wire, I'm gonna let go. And this is what it looks like. So you got slinky barbed wire. Of course, you want to trim the ends, you know, like this and this, but there you have it, nice and easy. So I hope you enjoyed today's video about how to make a quick and easy DIY barbed wire that is safe for you to handle. There's no sharp edges, except of course for the ends. Great for your RC tanks. This is a quick DIY. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.